anything is 0. So I can write the 0. Next, can we multiply 1 multiply 2 to the power 5? So 2 to the power 5 is,
32.
32.
32.
so this is the 32. Again, 1 multiply 2 to the power 4,
16.
16. Again, 0 multiply 2 to the power 3. Can anyone say what
0.
is the, this is 0 multiply anything is 0.
0.
You can remember that. Now 1 multiply 2 to the power 2.
4.
This is the 4. Yes. And can anyone say what is the 1 multiply 2 to the power 0?
1.
1.
This is
1.
1. You can remember that any number to the power 0, any number to the power 0 is become a 1. Now you can say that what is the addition of this number? Maybe 181. You are right. I think it is clear to all of you. You just add this number. That is the 130 plus 30, 160, 160 plus 20, 180 plus 1, 181. Is it clear to all of you? How can we convert this number?
Yes, sir.
I will just share with you. This is your binary number. Now you just convert to the decimal number system. Is it clear? Yes or no? Please reply.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am just telling you.
Yes, sir.
If someone give you any binary number, suppose, can you please tell me any binary number? 0101 format. Anyone please tell me any binary number?
1 0
1
1
0
0 0 7 0 1
0 1
1
1
1
1 again
0 1.
0 1. Now I will just tell you the another example with you. If you see the very last bit, if this very last bit is a 1 value, that means this number is the odd number. You can remember that. If you consider the very last bit, if the very last bit is the 1 value, that means it is a odd number. If the very last bit is goes to 0, it's become a even number. You can check that. I will just try to convert it to the decimal format. How can we do that? So I will just take that 1 multiply, this is 2 to the power 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 multiply 2 to the power 7. Is it clear? Again, plus 1 multiply, this is 2 to the power, how much?
So 157.
Okay, maybe 157. I am coming on that. So
5.
150,
2 to the power
you
5.
just remember that 157 means this is a odd number because this last one is the 1. Now I will just go for that. This is a 2 to the power, how much?
6.
4.
5.
2
2
to the
to the
power
power
4.
5.
Because I am writing that this is 2 to the power 0, this is 2 to the power 1, this is 2 to the power 2, this is 2 to the power 3, this is 2 to the power 4, this is 2 to the power 5,
Yes.
this is 2 to the power 6, and this is 2 to the power 7. So if we know that 0 multiply anything is goes to 0, yes or no? So we are not taking this value. 0
Yes, sir.
multiply anything is goes to 0. So can anyone say what is the next one? 1 multiply 2 to the power 3. Yes or no? Plus 1 multiply 2 to the
Yes,
power
sir.
2. Plus 1 multiply 2 to the power 0. So you can calculate that. What is the value of this one? 128. 2 to the power 7 means you just multiply 2 को 7 टाइम मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, 2 मल्टीप्लाई 2 मल्टीप्लाई 2 करके 7 टाइम चलोगे. So you can find the 128. How can we get that 2 to the power 7 is 128? That is nothing but just multiply 7 times 2. Can anyone
So
say what is the value of
157.
2 to the power 4?
16.
Can
16.
anyone say what is the value of 2 to the
16.
power 4?
16.
16.
16. So what is the value of 2 to the power 3? 8.
8.
8.
This is 8. What is the value of this one? 2 to the power 2?
4,
4.
4. And
4.
what is the value of the last one? Any
1.
number 2 to
1.
the
1.
0 is 1.
1.
And 1 multiply 1 is 1. So can we add this number? So you can get the result. So what is the result? Can anyone say?
157.
157.
So it is 157.
157.
It is clear to all of you? How can we convert? So what is the base of this one? This is the decimal. Yes or no?
yes, sir.
If anyone have any doubt, you can tell me. I am just asking a few of them. Gaurav Jha, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
I think you can convert any binary number to the decimal number system.
या बट सर एक पॉइंट वाला भी करवा दो, पॉइंट वाला बीच में.
हम करवा देंगे नेक्स्ट क्लास में. But definitely I will discuss this few things for your midterm 1 syllabus. So I think your midterm 1 should be very clear for all of them. Okay. So I will just go for the next operation. So here we have to choose that one octal number system. I think this is given in your assignment. So I will just try to solve this one. This octal number system to the decimal number system. Can anyone say how can we convert to the octal to decimal?
Sir, first we have
Sir, LCM method.
octal to
No, there is some truth table. We have to convert to the truth table and
सर
try
वो
to
4 को
yes, yes.
तो सारे नंबर्स को तीनों में डिवाइड करके करना है वो वाला. वो 4
No, no.
जैसे 001 हो रहा है वैसे करके.
Yes, yes. I
जैसे
think
सर
all of you,
बाइनरी,
do you know the
जैसे
truth
सर
table of the octal?
बाइनरी से जैसे डेसिमल किया है वैसे इसमें 8 की पावर में लगाएंगे, जैसे इसमें 2 की पावर में लगाया.
Yes, you are right. So how can we write that? I will just try to implement that. So you just help me. How can we do that? So our value is 5, 6, 7, 4. Can anyone say how can we do that?
5 मल्टीप्लाई 8 की पावर.
So we
4
just multiply with the 8 to the power 0 at the very first, next 8 to the power 1, next 8 to the power 2, next 8 to the power 3. Is not right? So we are just trying to 5 multiply 8 to the power 0, 8 to the power 3 plus 6 multiply 8 to the power 2 plus 7 multiply 8 to the power 1 and plus 4 multiply 8 to the power 0. Is it right or wrong?
Right.
Now can anyone say what is the result is coming for them?
2560.
8 to the power 3 means 8 को 3 टाइम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So 8 multiply 8 multiply 8. What is the result?
2560.
8 multiply 8 equals to 64. 64 multiply 8.
512.
64 multiply 8 is the 512. Multiply 5.
2560.
25. हाँ
2560.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Plus, what is the 6 multiply 8 to the power 2? 8 multiply 8 is 64. Multiply
384.
6. 384. What is the value of this one? 7 multiply 8 to the power 1. So this is 56 plus any number to the power 0 is goes to 1. So what is the result of this one?
4.
1
Sorry,
4.
4. This
4.
value is the 4. Yes.
4.
So you just add this number and you can say this number is
3004.
this number is
3004.
So what is the result?
3004.
3004.
3004 maybe. I hope it is right. It is clear to all of you. So base is, what is the base of this one? Can
10.
anyone say? Yes, base is the 10. So I will just go for the next example. You just take the, you just write in your copy. So you can remember that how this conversion is done. The next we have to discuss the next assignment. That is the, whatever we can say, that is the conversion of hexadecimal to the binary, to the decimal. How we can do that? So the simple way, so we just convert it to this hexadecimal to the decimal number system. So that means you can just 16 to the power format for each of them. Yes or no? Please anybody reply. All of you please reply.
Yes, sir.
I can see the Bapi is
Yes,
writing in the chat box, but he is not talking with me. You just unmute and talk with me. So the class should be interactive. So I will just try to write that the hexadecimal to the decimal number system. So what is our this number? A. Next one is the 1. Next one is the E. Next one is the 2. So how can we convert it to the decimal number system? So we just give that 16 to the power. We just give that 16 to the power 0. This is 16 to the power 1. This is 16 to the power 2. This is 16 to the power 3. I am right or wrong?
Right,
Now
sir.
can anyone say how can we multiply with the A value to the 16 to the power 3?
A की वैल्यू 10 लेंगे.
क्या? What is the value of this one?
A की 10
Sir,
होगी.
SQ value.
A की वैल्यू 10 होगी. 10 मल्टीप्लाई 16 की पावर 3.
So 16 to the power 3.
Yeah.
Next we just add 1 multiply 16 to the power 2 plus, what is the value of E?
15.
14.
14 is the value of E. So 14 multiply 16 to the power 1, and what is the value of last one? 2 multiply 16 to the power 0. So can anyone say what is the answer is coming? Can anyone say? What is the answer? 16 to the power 3. That means
40,960.
4096.
0. 96. उसका 0.
And multiply with the 0 plus, what is the value of this one?
256.
So 16 multiply 16 is the 256. I will just write the 256. What is the value of this one? 16 multiply 14.
224.
This is the 224. And what is the very last one? 2 multiply 16 to the power 0.
2.
It is 2. You just add this number and convert it to the decimal number system. So what is the result? Does anybody reply?
41442.
41442.
442.
41442.
So this is your decimal number system. So we can write that, convert to the decimal. So you can see that I will just share with you the screen. You just see that how can we convert one hexadecimal number to the decimal number system. I hope all of you clear about that. How can we do that? So if you convert any number system to the decimal number system, you just put the 16 to the power format. I hope it is clear. Yash
Yes, sir.
Yadav. Yash Yadav, can you please reply? Yash Yadav. I think Yash is not. Okay, so I will just ask for the Vishal Jaiswal. Vishal Jaiswal, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Is it clear to you? Vishal?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am just going for the another example.
You, sir.
Yes, Shaunak
Hello?
Peda. Yes. Yes.
Sir, sir, we are taking A is equal to 10 and E is equal to 14. Then if any other alphabet is there, then what we will take the values?
Okay, I hope you are joining the very first class. I think in the very last class, I will share with you the truth table of the hexadecimal and the truth table of the octal. Are you here or not?
No, sir, I didn't did the last class. I missed the last class.
Okay. I realize that. So just give me 1 second. I will just try to go for this one. Just give me 5 minutes. After that, I will coming with that.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I will just try to do the another few example, and after that I will definitely come with that. Suppose here we have the another example. So how can we convert the decimal number to the octal number system? Can anyone say?
Sir, decimal to binary, then binary to octal.
Decimal to binary, binary to octal. It is the one of the way you can do that. So decimal to binary, binary to octal. I am just writing to decimal to binary. Decimal to binary, binary to octal. Another way.
Sir,
Simple
dividing
से
by
divide
8.
by 8 कर
Like
करके
we used to.
डिवाइड बाय
LCM
8
करेंगे
करके
8 से।
कांस्टेंट को करते जाएंगे, रिमाइंडर को एक साइड में लिखते
Sir,
जाएंगे.
LCM way.
Yes, you can just divide this number divided by 8. So this is 289. I will just try with you. The both of them I will do that. So at the very last I will do this one. So at the very first we have to take the 289. We have the value is the 289. So it is divided by 8. So if you divide it by 8, this number, this is your whatever we can say divisor. So divisor is 8. And so what is the question value? Can anyone say? If you divide this number, what is the question value?
26.
26. Now what is the remainder?
1.
Remainder is 1. If
36 होगा.
36.
okay. No problem. 36. Now remainder is 1. Clear? Now for the, we'll just bring the wrong. For the next, what is the value of this one? Again, question value?
4.
4.
So what is the remainder?
0.
4.
Remainder is also 4. You just remember that 8 multiply 4 is the 32. So remainder is 4. So now what is the result? 441. If you convert
441.
this,
48.
yes. So we can write that 441 is your whatever we can say octal value. Is it clear? Now we can go with this number system to the binary and convert to the binary to octal. I will just do that. So can anyone say how can we go for the binary of this number?
Dividing by 2.
again divided by 2. So I will just write to 289. So I will just write that 289. Just allow me, just 289. So can anyone guide me? How can we divide? So very first we have to divide by the 2. So this result is
148.
140.
144. Remainder is 1.
1.
Next, if you divide it by 2, that is the 72. Remainder is 0. If you go for the any number 2, again, this is the value is the 36.
36.
So remainder is 0. If you go for the 2, again, this is the 18. The remainder is
0.
18 का रिमाइंडर क्या आएगा? 0.
0.
Next is 2. This value is 9. Now remainder is 0. Now the next, if there is the 2, 2 cross 4 is the 8. Remainder is 1. Now the next we have to go for 4. That is the 2. So 2 cross 2 is 4. Remainder is 0. Again divided by 2. That is 1. And remainder is 0. So what is your binary format? This is 100100001. I hope it is clear to all of you. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I just write with here the same thing 1 0 0 1 0 again 3 0. So and last is 1. So what is the this base is the binary. So you can see that 1 0 0. Next is 1. Next 4 0. You can see that 4 0. Next is 1. So can anyone say how can we convert to the this one to the decimal number system?
Sir,
Can
from
anyone-
right to left, we have to divide it in 3 groups.
No,
0
no,
0
no.
1, then 0 0. Sorry,
If we have to go for the
1 0
octal
0.
number. No, no, no. Just remember that here we have to convert to the decimal. इसको कहाँ पे convert करना है? It should have to decimal number system. Base 10.
No, no,
So
sir, वो नहीं बोल रहा हूँ.
ये सोबिलो क्या बोल रहे हो?
सर वो यहाँ से जो लेफ्ट टू राइट टू लेफ्ट जो 100 आ रहा है उसको एक ग्रुप में रखना है. वो 1 हो जाएगा, फिर 001 4 हो जाएगा और फिर 001 4 हो जाएगा. वैसे मैं बोल
No, no, no. You are talking about the only and only for the octal number system. I am just coming with you. Obidu, just wait for 2 minutes. I am coming with you. I am just convert it to the decimal number system. So decimal number system कैसे होगा?
By giving 2 to the powers.
2 to the power 0, this is 2 to the power 1, this is 2 to the power 2, 3, 4, same way. So can anyone say what is the very first one? This is the 2 to the power 1, this is the 2 to the power 2, this is the 2 to the power 3, this is 2 to the power 4, this is 2 to the power 5, this is 2 to the power 6, this is 2 to the power 7, and this is 2 to the power 8. So what is our answer? 1 multiplied 2 to the power 8. We just do previously, it's the same thing. 1 multiplied 2 to the power 8 plus 1 multiplied 2 to the power 5 plus 1 multiplied 2 to the power 0. Is that right? Please, anybody reply. I am right or wrong? What is the value of 2 to the power 8? 2 को 8 बार मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो क्या मिलेगा?
256.
So this is according to you. So this is the 256 plus 2 to the power 5 means
32.
32. And 2 to the power 0 means 1
1.
plus multiply 1. So this value is 1. So what is the result is coming?
289.
289.
I hope this should be the 289. You just remember that this value is coming as a 289. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
So I will just go for 289. Now, if someone asks you convert to the octal number, yes, Obirup, you were right. Now we are coming to the octal number. How can we coming to the octal number to the binary? Obirup, are you here? Obirup there?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Now I
I am.
am coming. Yes, I am coming with that. Now, how can, so you can see that we can go anyway. The result should be the same. The result should be the same. Now, our question is convert to the octal number system. Yes or no?
सर उस टाइम मैंने बाइनरी टू ऑक्टल ही बोला था.
Okay, okay. No problem. So, octal number system, how can we go for that binary to octal? So, can anyone say how can we go for the binary to octal? Please, anyone say? I just remove this thing so you can easily identify. Sorry. So how can we go for the octal? Obidu, can you please guide me?
सर वो फिर से वो राइट टू लेफ्ट से ग्रुप करना पड़ेगा 3 लेके.
So that means we choose this one is the one group. Next one is the another group. Next one is the another group. So what is the value of 100 in the octal? 100 is 4. What is the again value of 100? We know that this value is 4. Now what is of the this value? That is 001. 1. So we just write this is your octal value. So you can say that this is the same as the whatever value we are given. So you can convert any number system according to your requirement. I hope it is clear to all of you.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? So
Yes,
I will
sir.
just go for the another one so you can easily identify. Suppose we have this number. I will just try to write that. Just allow me just 2 minutes. So can anyone say your next question is at the very first we have to go for the octal number to the hexadecimal number. Next we have to go for the same thing octal number to the binary number. So at the very first I will take how can we convert to the octal to whatever we can say this is the binary. How can we convert this one? Please anybody tell me? How can we convert one octal number to the binary? Rajdeep? Please anybody reply?
कोड्स लिख के जो जिसके हैं 3 का जो नीचे लिख के उसके बाद
Do you know the truth table of the binary to octal? Yes or no? हम लोग जो लास्ट क्लास में डिस्कस किए थे बाइनरी टू ऑक्टल और octal to
Sir.
binary. Do you remember the truth table or I just open it with you? Is anybody reply? I think I have to open this one.
No.
Show one time.
Okay, I am trying that. Binary to octal. This is the table.
So please open it.
Yes. Now you can see that this is the binary to octal table. So here we are going to implement this binary to octal with you. So can anyone say what is the value of the octal in this particular number system? You can see that. I hope you can see that the two table with you. So how can we do that? So what is the value of the 36541? So you just remember that what is the value of 1? You can see in the octal table, this value is the 1. So whatever this one. So 1 value kya hoga?
001.
001.
So I will just trying to read the same number system and you can tell me whatever in the binary format it is come. So if you use the binary format, how this value is come? Can anyone say? What is the value of 3?
011.
011.
So I will just write that 011. Now what is the value of 6?
110.
110.
So 110. 110. What is the value of 5?
101.
101. So 101. What is the value of 4?
100.
100.
100. What is the value of 1?
001.
So this is 001. So I hope you clear about that this is a binary number. How can we convert octal to binary? Now if someone asks you octal to hexadecimal, how can we do that? You can go for octal to binary, binary to hexadecimal. So can anyone say what is the hexadecimal value of this one? What is the hexadecimal value of this one? How can we go for that?
सर 4 करके ग्रुप करना होता है ना?
Yes, 4 करके group बना लेंगे. You can see that this last 4, next 4. So this is the next 4. These are the next 4. These are the, you can see that. I will just try to separate with that. So these are the first 4 bit. These are the next 4 bit. I hope you can identify. These are the next 4 bit. So I will just try to identify this one. Now in the last bit you can see that there is 3 bit is available. Now what we can do?
We
0011
0 put
We
कर
can
देंगे.
take another 0 क्योंकि कोई नंबर का पहले जितना चाहे 0 डाल दो नंबर चेंज नहीं होता है. कोई नंबर का पहले जितना चाहे 0 डाल दो वो नंबर चेंज वैल्यू चेंज नहीं होता है. Now you can write another 0 here. Yes or no? So we can say this one. So what is the value of first one? Can anyone say 0011? I will just try to copy the hexadecimal table with you so you can easily identify.
3 sir.
3 sir.
सर 3 होगा.
ठीक है और एक बार पेस्ट कर देते हैं. हाँ पेस्ट हो गया. I hope this one is your. I think this is visible to all of you. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just allow me. So can anyone say what is the result of this one? 0011.
3.
3.
3
0011 is the 3 value. You can see in the table. 0 0 1 1. So I am writing here 3. What is the value of 1 1 0 1?
D.
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 1 1 0 0 1 is the D value. D for just with the D value.
6.
Next is 0 1 1 0.
6.
6.
This value is 6. Now what is the last one? 0
One.
0 0 1. That
1.
is
1.
so we can say this is the hexadecimal of this number. So I hope all of you identify. How can we do that? Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if you go in for the any number system communication, now on that time you can remember the two things. First, truth table for this one. So this one is nothing but a hexadecimal to binary truth table, and the next one is the octal to the binary truth table. You can remember this table. If this table is with you, okay, fine. If this table is not with you, you just take a snapshot and you just write in your copy. So you can remember that how can it is working. I hope it is clear to all of you.
Sir, is there in the presentation, no? Which you have given.
Sorry, Shubhro?
Sir, is there in the presentation, no, which you have provided?
Yes, already it is in the presentation. I think this PPT is converted to PDF and submit and given to in your classroom, Google Classroom. I think it is available.
Okay, sir.
Or I will again upload this thing. I will just again upload this thing. So I think this number system is very much clear to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Or
Yes,
can
sir.
we practice or another one or two things?
Another one.
Nitin?
Another one.
Another one. Okay. So I will just ask you, just a minute. I will just ask you, please tell me any number system. I don't know. Okay. So we are converting any number. So please tell me any number, whatever in your mind. Suppose
So
I will just
binary
tell
or
you.
decimal?
I will just tell you one hexadecimal number, that is the CAB cap. Now this is hexadecimal number. You have to convert this thing to the binary, and also you try to convert this thing with the octal also. So how can we do that? Can anyone say? How can we convert this CAB to the octal number system? Please anybody reply?
Sir, B होगा 1011.
So I will just open you with your truth table. You just remember that. So what is the value of this one? So very first one, C value. Can anyone say what is the value of C?
1100.
1100.
So this is the 1100. What is the value of A?
1010.
1010.
1010. Okay. What is the value of B?
1011.
1011. Now how can we convert this binary to the octal? Can anyone say how can we convert this binary to the octal?
सर तीनों में डिवाइड कर दो, 3 ग्रुप करके.
Binary to octal, it means you have to think for the another truth table. This is the binary to octal, so you just convert this number. So how we can do that? So you have to divide it in the 3 point. This 3 in the one section, this 3 is the another one, next 3 is the another one, and this 3 is the another one. So what is the value of this one?
So 6253.
011 का वैल्यू क्या होगा?
3.
3.
This is the 3. 101 का वैल्यू क्या होगा?
5.
This is 5.
5.
010.
2.
2.
This 010 is the 2 value, and 110.
6.
6.
So this value is the octal. Sorry, this value is the octal. Is it clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
6253 is the octal.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
now
sir.
just I will give you another example with you. So please try and tell me what is the answer of this one. So I will just write with you. Okay. Suppose someone give you 1 base 2 plus 2 base 3 plus 3 base 4 plus, sorry, plus 4 base 5 is something base 6. Now what is the value? Our question is this one. What is this value? How can we do that? Please anybody reply.
We will have to convert it into
How can
decimal
we do?
form.
Yes, you are right. If there is anything in your mind we don't know, we just convert to the decimal number system. Yes. So how can we do that? Can anyone say for the very first one? कैसे होगा?
Dividing by 2.
No, just multiply with the 2. You just use the 2 to the power 0 and next is the 2 to the power 1. Yes or no? We are going to convert the decimal number system.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So I will just write that 1 multiply 2 to the power 0 plus 1 multiply 2 to the power 1. So what is the result is coming? Any number to the
3.
power 0 is 1. This is the 1 and this is the 2. So this is the 3 value. Yes or no? I'm
Yes,
right
sir.
or wrong?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now the next, we are doing that the same thing, 3 to the power 0 and 3 to the power 1. So can we write that 2 multiply 3 to the power 0? 2 multiply 3 to the power 0 and 2 multiply 3 to the power 1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is the result is coming? Any number to the power 0 is 1. So this value is 2 multiply 1 means
2.
any number to the power 0 is 1. So 3 to the power 0 is also 1. So multiply करने के बाद क्या मिलेगा?
2.
This is 2 and this one 6.
6.
So we can say this is 8. 6 plus 2 8. I will just write it here 8. Now what is the value of next one? 3 multiply 4 to the power 0 plus 3 multiply 4 to the power 1. क्या वैल्यू आएगा?
15.
Can anyone
15.
say?
15.
4 multiply 5 to the power 1. क्या वैल्यू आएगा? Anything number to the power 0 is 1, so this is 4, and this is the
24.
so this is, according to you, this is the 34.
24.
24.
24.
Okay. Now can anyone say what is the addition of this number? इसको add करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा? 3 plus 8 plus 13, 15 plus 24.
Sir, 50.
So this one is come 50. Yes?
Yes.
Now if this is come 50, now what is the base of this one? हम लोग
10.
convert, this is the base of 10. That means this is a decimal number system. So how can we convert to the base 6?
LCM forms. 6.
Dividing by 6.
Divide by 6.
Okay, so again divide करेंगे. So I will just write it here, 50 divided by 6. So what is the result is coming?
221. Oh, sorry.
I will just check that.
8.
8. Remainder is
2.
2.
Next. You can go for the 6 value again.
1.
This
1.
is 1 and remainder is
2.
2.
2. Now what is your result? 1, 2,
1,
2.
2, 2.
1, 2, 2.
So can we write that here 1, 2, 2 is our result? Because this is the base 6. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Right, sir.
Yes, sir.
You just take a snapshot or you can write in your copy so you can remember how can we convert this number system. You just take time but try to write in your copy so you can remember this thing. I hope it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Could you write it in your copy? Or we wait for some. All of you write in your copy or we wait for some time? Please tell me. No answer. Please anybody reply.
Yes, sir, complete.
Okay, okay. Just wait for 1 minute for others so that all of you just write that.
Complete, sir.
Okay. So in the very next, I will just try to discuss with you the very last example for the number system. After that, we have to go for the addition and subtraction. So I will just wait for 1 minute. Next, I will take another example for the any number system to conversion any number system. So you will be familiar with that. So can we change the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So I will just
Yes,
go
sir.
for the another example with you.
Yes, sir.
I will just go for the another example with you. Now suppose someone tell me this number system. Suppose this is in the octal. Suppose 365. This is in the octal number system. We have to convert the all of them. Hexadecimal, binary. So I will just write here. So hexadecimal, binary, and decimal number system. How can we go for that? Can anyone guide me? You know, how can we do that? How can we convert this octal to?
सर पहले
Yes, पहले
सर पहले बाइनरी कर लेंगे, फिर वहां से बाइनरी कर लेंगे, फिर वहां से डेसिमल और हेक्साडेसिमल दोनों हो जाएगा.
So can you please guide me? How can we go for that? I will just open with you the octal number system. So you can see and tell me what is the answer.
सर 5 का 10 इन टोटल आंसर होगा 011
So I will just write it.
110.
This 3 value, I think you know that 3 value, this 3 value is nothing but a, you can see that 3 value is nothing but a 011. So here we can write that 011. What is the 6th value? You can 6th value is the
110.
110. So here I am writing that 110. Next, what is the 5 value?
101.
101. So I will just write that 101. So we are converting to octal to the binary number system. Now can anyone say how can we convert to the hexadecimal number system?
So ऐसे ही चारों ग्रुप करके, मतलब हर ग्रुप में 4 नंबर देके.
So we just take that this one is the one group, next one is the another group, and there is the 10. So we just put the another few 30 with that. So another 30 with that. So can anyone say for the hexadecimal number system what is the number of this one? So,
F5.
so first is 0000. That means it is coming as a 0.
F.
Next is coming as a F.
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 Yes. Next is 0101.
5.
5.
This is 5. So can we say this is the F5? Yes, you are right. You can write that F5 is your hexadecimal number system. Can anyone say how can we go for the whatever we can say decimal number system? Can anyone say how can we go for the
power 0 plus 2 to the
power multiply करके decimal
8 to the power 0
into 2 to the power 1 वैसे करके.
There is the any possibility. You can write the 8 to the power 0, 8 to the power 1. You can write 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1. There you can write 16 to the power 0, 16 to the power 1. So all of give the same answer. You can try individually. 365, I will just give you one example. Suppose 365, so that means 8 to the power 0, 8 to the power 1 and 8 to the power 2. So can we write that 3 multiply 8 to the power 0? Sorry, 3 multiply 8 to the power 2 plus 6 multiply 8 to the power 1, or and we just multiply with 5 multiply 8 to the power 0. What is the answer is coming? Can anyone say?
245.
245 in the base 5. 245 in the base 5, base decimal, base 10. Sorry. So can anyone say if you choose this one, what is the result is come? Suppose we have choose that this value. So we just writing 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 4, 1, and after that we are writing that 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So how can we convert it to the whatever we can say decimal? So this is 2 to the power 0, this is 2 to the power 1, this is 2 to the power 2, this is 2 to the power 3, This is 2 to the power 4. This is 2 to the power 5. This is 2 to the power 6. And this is the 2 to the power 7. So we are just trying to write that 1 multiply 2 to the power 7 plus 1 multiply 2 to the power 6. I will just do it in the large screen so you can see that. Again, 1 multiply 2 to the power 5. 1 multiply 2 to the power 5 plus 1 multiply 2 to the power 4 again 1 multiply 2 to the power 2 again 1 multiply 2 to the power 0. Yes or no? Am I right or wrong?
Yes sir.
जहां पे 0 है वो 0 वैल्यू को नहीं लिया, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट 0 मल्टीप्लाई एनीथिंग गोज टू 0. So can anyone say what is the value of 2 to the power 7? Can anyone say what is
128.
128?
128.
Okay. 128 plus 2 to the power 6 value?
64.
64. 2 to the power 5 value?
32.
32. What is the 2 to the power 4 value? 2 to the power 4 value?
16.
16. 2 to the power 2 value? What is the value of 2 to the power 2? 4. And what is the 2 to the power 1 value? Please anybody reply. Please anybody reply.
2.
2 to the power 1 value, 2 to the power 0 value क्या होगा?
The 2 to the power 1 or 2 to the
One.
power 0?
2 to the power 0.
1 1.
You can see that my screen is visible to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if my
Yes,
screen
sir.
is, you can see that. This is the 2 to the power 0 is 1 value. Now what is the sum of this one? You can remember the sum should be 245.
245.
Because we just checked that 245 is previous one. This one, you can remember this one and this one should be the same. Maybe it is the base is 10. Now you can done in the different way. Now suppose you have the hexadecimal value. Suppose this one hexadecimal value. How can we represent this one is the binary into the decimal? If you go to this number to the decimal, so what is the value of f? Can anyone say? What is the value of f?
1111.
No. F means क्या value है? You can see that f means this value is the
16. 15 15.
So can we write here this is as
मुझे लगा वो
15
बाइनरी में वो
multiply 16 to the power 1, 16 to the power 1, and next plus 5 multiply 16 to the power 0. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir. Yes.
So what is the result? You can check the result should become 245. You just multiply this thing and multiply this thing. The result should become 245. You can check that. Please anybody calculate that this thing 15 multiply 16. This is
240 plus 5. 240 plus 5.
240 plus 5. So this result is come 245. So you can see that at any case, you can go for this one. The result is come as a 245. Base 10. I hope you clear about that. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So now your number system is
Yes,
clear.
sir.
How can we convert the
Yes.
number system? Yes or no? Please, you have any doubt, you can
Yes,
tell
sir.
me.
Sir, once again, once will you scroll down the slide?
One second.
ऊपर वाला एक बार दिखाएंगे सर प्लीज.
ये वाला. I will just do it.
इससे पहले वाला.
ये वाला.
बस. हाँ.
I think this is visible.
Yes, sir.
Now you can take that. I think we have discussed all of this in the PPT format in the last class. Now I can see that many of you are have some problem regarding this conversion. So that's why I will take this class as very informally. So you all of you can discuss this thing. So I hope it is clear to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you just write it down. So you can remember that how it is working. So I think in this class, many of you are not talking. I don't know. Shaunak Bera, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So I think all of you write in this particular copy. So I will just go for the next thing. That is the binary number addition. So I will just go for the next thing with you. So I think it is clear to all of you. All of you write that.
Yes, sir.
So I will just try to
Yes, sir.
go to the next page. Okay. I will just go to the next page. Sorry. So here we have to go for the addition, binary addition. So I think many of you know the binary addition. Anyone have any idea regarding binary addition? Please, anybody reply? Do you know the binary addition? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
using
so
the
I will
Yes, sir.
recap this thing with you. Now for the binary addition, कोई number addition करने के लिए, you can remember that on that time we have to use the whatever we can say, two number is required. Suppose I will take one number, suppose 10110 plus another number is 01110. So how can we add this number? Now there is whenever we are going to add any kind of addition, now there is the two values come. First is the sum and next is the carry. So we have to go for the sum and carry option. So I will just try to sum two number. So how is it come? 0 plus 0. Can anyone say what is the sum value is come?
0, sir.
0. And carry is 0. There is no carry, that means carry value is 0. Again 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 means sum is 0, carry is 1. You can, I will just coming, how is it working? Again 1 plus 1 plus 1. So sum is 1, carry is 1. Now again 1 plus 1, it is 0, carry is 1. So I will just write 1 plus 1 0 and there is carry is 1. I will just tell you in the different way. I think it is not clear to all of you. So I will just tell you in a different way. For the any kind of addition system, you just remember that any kind of addition system, there is a two possibility. Now in the binary number, there is the possibility is 0 or 1. There is any other number is possible in the binary number system?
No, sir.
Yes or no?
No, sir.
No,
No, sir.
there is no other
No, sir,
number is
not possible.
possible. So how can we go for add? Maybe this is for the 0 plus 0. Maybe this goes for the 0 plus 1. Maybe this goes for the 1 plus 0. Maybe it goes for the 1 plus 1. Yes or no? Now, whenever we have to go for the each of them, there should be the two part. First is called the sum. Next is called the carry. So you just remember that what is carry? Carry is nothing but बचपन में हम लोगों को मम्मी जो सिखाते थे हाथ में एक नंबर रख दो मतलब एडिशन का टाइम में कोई एक्स्ट्रा आ जाए so we just take एक नंबर so as a carry. So if you put that 0 plus 0, what is the sum value? Sum value is 0, carry value is 0. If you go for the 0 and 1, so 0 plus 1, sum value is 1, carry value is 0. Carry value is 0. Next, if you go for the 1, 0, the sum value is 1 and carry value is 0. Just opposite of this one, 0 plus 1 or 1 plus 0, both are the same. If this is 1 plus 1, how is it working? 1 plus 1 is sum value 0 and the carry value is 1. Sum value is 0 and the carry value is 1. Now you can remember that whenever the sum value is 0 and the carry value is 1, you just go with that this thing 1 plus 1, why it is come as a 0. So now suppose we are taking one decimal number, so 0 to 9. So do you know the decimal number is starting from the 0 to 9? So how can we add two decimal numbers? Suppose you have one value is suppose 6 plus 4. How can we add this number? What is the value of 6 plus 4 in the decimal?
10.
How you can say this is a 10? So that means 6. After that you count that 7, 8, 9. If this 9 is complete, next again it is coming for the again the very first point and there is some carry is there. So you can say this is actually the result is 0 and there is carry is 1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now the same thing is doing for 0 and 1. So a binary format there is no possibility of the 2, 3, 4, 5 number. So there is 0 and 1. So 1 plus 1. This result is coming again 0 and carry is 1. You can remember that. So if you go for the add any number, it is representing this kind of situation. So you just write, I will just tell you another example. Suppose we are telling that 1 0 1 0 1 plus 1 1 0 1 1. So how can we add this number? 1 1 0 1 1 0, the carry is 1. Again 1 1 0, this carry is 1. Again 1 1 0, this carry is 1. Again 1 1 0, this carry is 1. Now you can say here 1 plus 1, this is 0 and 1 and again 1. So this is 1 and carry is 1. I hope it is clear to all of you. Or we can take another example.
Yes, sir. Clear.
I will just take you another example.
Yes, clear, sir.
I will just take another example. Oops, just a minute. I don't know what is going on. I will just take another example. Suppose 1010 plus 1101. Can anyone say what is the result?
So 10111.
So this is 0 1 1 carry 0. 0, 1, 1, carry 0. Again, this is 1 and this is 1, 1. 1, 0 is 0 and carry is 1. So this is our result. I hope it is clear to all of you.
Yes, sir.
I will take another example. Show me, can you please tell me another one binary number?
Sir,
Show me. Yes, Subra, I am coming with you. Show me. Are you here? I don't know. Spurs, Bharadwaj. Spurs, Bharadwaj.
yes, sir.
Yes. Can you please tell me one number? Spurs, Bharadwaj. Can you please tell me one number, binary number, so we can add this number? Nothing. Is it 0, 1, 1 plus another number
1, 1, 1.
1, 1, 1. So I will just try to add. First, please unmute. Please mute yourself. Okay. So I will just try to add this number 1, 1, 0. Carry is 1. Now you can remember that this part. This first we have to add this number. So 1, 1, 0 carry 1 plus 1. So this value is 1. So we just write this value is 1 and there is carry 1. So 1, 1, 0 and carry is 1. So the result is come 1, 0, 1, 0. I hope it is clear to all of you. If anyone have any doubt, you can tell me. Now I am coming for to Shubro. I think Shubro is there.
Yes, sir. Sir, yes, sir. 1 second, will you show this? How does it work? Means in the previous slide you have showed, no? Will you explain it once more, please? Yes, sir. This one.
Okay. I think there is something problem. I will just, whenever I just keep the enter, there is some problem is there. Just a minute. And now you can see that. This one is the actual. So I hope it is clear. You
Yes,
can
sir.
write.
It's visible.
Okay. So I will just end of this class. So I will just tell you, please give the exam in the IMCRP. So all of you please go to the IMCRP and check that your exam code is 2215. So
Sir, will you explain this one, sir? Actually, I was asking
okay,
for it.
I will definitely explain. Just allow me 1 minute. So all of you, I am requesting to all of you, please give the IMCRP and give the test for the IMCRP for this class. And the second thing, I will share with you one exam link, which is the demo copy of the midterm one. So you are prepared for that. I will just share end of the class with you. This is not for the attendance. This is for the demo exam. So you can prepare your midterm one. How is it working? So I will give you at the 4 p.m. after the end of the class. So for this class attendance, make sure you have to give exam in the IMCRP. If you are unable to give the exam in the IMCRP, you can WhatsApp me that you with your enrollment number that you are unable to give the exam. Okay?
Sir, what is the exam code in IMCRP?
2215. You can just log in with that and you can see that. Okay, now Shubhra, I am coming with you. So
Sir,
this
this is
is
not. Hello, sir.
yes.
Sir, exam that exam is not there. 2215 is not there.
2215 is not there. Please, anybody reply? It is there or not? Other one, I can just cross check.
Yes, sir, it is there. So I am giving exam.
Okay. So I think I just forget his name. Nitin Roy.
Sir,
Nitin.
excuse me, sir. What is this exam code?
2215.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
I will just give you in the chat box. Just
Yes, sir. It was
example
there in the
0200
NCERT.
12215. I'm giving the chat box. So we'll just coming to again and again, just discuss a few things. That is 0 plus 0. If you go to add two numbers, 0 plus 0, on that time you can remember that is the sum is, I think Shubhru is there. Shubhru?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0 is nothing but a sum is 0 and carry is 1. क्योंकि 0 का साथ कुछ भी add करोगे, so this number is sum is 0 and carry is 0.
Yes,
Now
sir.
we just add 0 plus 1. So 0 plus 1 means whenever we add one number, that is the sum is 1 and carry is 0. Why we are taking carry? जब भी वो नंबर सिस्टम में वो नंबर का आगे चले जाते हैं, on that time we have to choose the carry. जैसे मान लो 6 plus 4 पे तुम याद कर सकते हो 6 plus 3 अगर होगा तो 6 plus 3 is 9. There is no carry because it is within the number system. Now, whenever it is crossed the number system, that is the 0 to 9, now we can say there is the 1 carry. So
Yes,
the
sir.
same thing we are doing for the 1, 1, when you can see that 1 plus 1, there is possibility of the 2 in the binary format. Binary format में 2 लिख सकते हो?
No, sir. No, sir.
So we cannot write. So it is cross this one. So on that time, we just say it is carry 1 and starting with the very first one. Just like 6 plus 3 and 6 plus 4. So it is just give the sum is 0 value, the very first one, and carry is 1.
Okay, sir.
So you just remember this table. This is one kind of table. You can just write it down. So you can use any kind of addition using this formula. This is not a formula. This is the basic logic. Basically, we are not using in the decimal. We are only using decimal number system. That's why this problem is occurred. So I think this class is over. So all of you please give the exam in the INCERT. And if you have any doubt, you can discuss with me. Or you just leave the meeting and give the exam in the INCERT.